Hey guys, this is Ken from Nippon Bro. How's it going? I hope you guys are doing good. And today we have a special episode for you today, and it is a B-roll challenge using Instagram Reels. And this challenge is with another YouTuber and a friend of mine. His name is Cosimo and his channel is linked on the description below. And we are doing a kind of like a halfway across the world B-roll challenge using Instagram Reels, just because it is very, very new and you can do a little bit of B-roll within the 15 seconds. So having said that, it's going to be a little bit of challenge for us. We're going to try. But before I get any further into this, intro. Hey guys, so basically what we're going to be doing here is using this coffee table as my main stage, and today we are using this. Yes, this. It's the HB, what is it actually? It's not even an HB, it's a 2B pencil. So 2B pencil, this is the hero of today's battle here. So basically Cosmo is going to be using a pencil as well. So that is one of the ground rules for this challenge, is to use one object and make a B-roll out of it. So let me go into some of the ground rules of this B-roll battle that we both have to follow. So the ground rule for this challenge is using Instagram Reels to film. So no outside edits on other softwares. And rule number 2 is 15-second video clip limit. So obviously with Instagram Reels, you're going to have that limit. Now moving on to number 3 is using one object for hero in B-roll. So that is basically the pencil that we are using today. And number 4 is using the same music track. So we have selected a track for this particular B-roll and we are going to be using the exact same one. We cannot defer to any other one, so we chose only one. And rule number 5, no outside assistance from anyone, just a one-man show. And last but not least is number 6. You can use other objects to complement the hero, but you're not allowed to make the other objects take over what the actual hero is, and this subject is the 2B pencil. So having said that, basically we have to just use this, and we can use anything today. Today I am actually using, I don't know if I'm going to be using all of this, but I just have it, I have other pencils. So it came in a pack, so I might only use one, but you can use something that's related, like an eraser or pencil sharpener, or this pencil case for that matter. And then also I have a notebook here. Blank piece of paper is inside, nothing drawn on it, so I don't know if I'm going to draw on it or not. Just another prop for accentuating the hero in the shot today. So without further ado, it is, what time is it? Almost 3 a.m. right now. I am wide awake, so I'm going to actually do this B-roll, film everything so I can get it ready for the upload. Alright guys, let me get into it. Basically guys, this is what's going to happen. I am going to start filming my first shot with Instagram Reels, and this one I'm just going to, my imagination is pretty much just getting the overall shot of what's on the table, and then so that kind of gives the viewer what their environment is like, and so they can actually see what's going on and where you are. So this is going to be your kind of landscape shot. So I'm just going to get right into it. Hang on one sec. Hey guys, so that was basically shot number 1, showing the entire landscape of where I am and what's on the table. And then shot number 2 is actually unzipping the pencil case. And that's going to be the revealer for the third shot, which is going to be the pencil coming out of the pencil case. So let me just film those two real quick. Hey guys, so just shot number 3 there. So number 4 is going to be actually sharpening the pencil. And I can't really do the actual pencil sharpening while I'm holding the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually sharpen it about halfway so the actual files are coming out. And then just do a quick B-rolls to show that it is filing and sharpening the actual pencil. And then I'm going to whip transition out of there real quick. So let me just film that part real quick. Alright, so second to last part here, guys. So what I'm going to be doing is from that transition from showing the sharpening of the pencil, I'm going to raise up and it's going to show me flipping through the book, and it's going to flip through the pages, and then I'm going to transition upwards from there. And then there's going to be the final shot where I'm going to have the pencil come down onto the piece of paper and then draw one line, and then it's going to be like a cliffhanger for the viewers. So let me just go film that. Alright guys, that is it. I'm actually going to clean this up before I do anything else here, so hang on 1 second. Hey guys, so hopefully you guys like that behind the scenes and how I filmed it. Now before I show you the final product, there is a couple things I want you guys to know. That this challenge wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for Cosimo and to be able to collaborate with me halfway across the world where my home is, and I miss it very much. And I believe his talent takes him a very, very long way, and he's just started a YouTube channel, so please, please, please give him his support. I'll link everything in the description below to his actual Instagram page and his YouTube video for this challenge. So yeah, just go ahead and go click on his channel, see the video, see his behind the scenes, and see his final results for his Instagram Reels. But yeah, without further ado, here's the final product. Hey guys, so thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, smash the like button and turn on those notifications for future videos. I think this is going to be a reoccurring thing. We might actually put on a third contender to the challenges, whether that be a subscriber or a follower. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified when there's future uploads coming. Also, if you want to see Cosimo's version of the BTS and his Instagram Reels, check on the link below and I'll direct you straight to his video and you can watch exactly how he did it. And comment down below if you like this video. By all means, this is not a competition. It's something friendly that we do just because we want to collaborate with each other, and it's all for good fun, good faith. Just have fun with your friends out there. And if you need to social distance, I'm doing this with halfway across the world and we're trying to collaborate with each other. Things can happen as long as you put your mind to it. Keep your chin up and fight through this. Also, I have linked Cosimo's Instagram page down below as well. So if you want to check out both our stories, we're going to put out a poll for the followers and let us choose what object we're going to choose next time, or what subject we're going to choose next time for our B-roll session for Instagram Reels. For the next Instagram Reels, I believe we're going to be using our own cameras and not the actual app itself. We're going to be editing outside and putting a 15-second clip together. So that's going to be our next challenge. So having said that, till next week, I'm not going to be posting this weekend, but till next week, I'll see you guys then. Peace.